Oh my god. Look at that balance right there. The coins and cash are showing on screen and it caught me completely off guard. Stay till the end, because in this video, I'm showing you the full journey of how I tested this one-state RP method and what really happened at the final step. Hey one-state RP players, welcome back. So today, I'm trying another less-known online method that claims to help with free coins and cash inside the game. Now honestly, I've seen many methods like this before. Some sounded promising, some sounded very convincing, but most of them never matched the result people talked about. So this time, I didn't want to assume anything early. I wanted to test it step by step and see the real outcome. First, I opened my game account and checked my current balance. I noted how many coins I had, and I also looked at the cash amount. That part is important, because for any method like this, the only honest comparison is before and after. After that, I made sure my game ID was ready. I copied it and then closed the game so I could continue with the rest of the process without distractions. Next, I opened my browser and visited this secret source I found online. When the page loaded, I noticed several game options listed there, so I searched for one-state RP. Once I saw it, I tapped on it, and that opened the actual tool page. On that page, I could already see the main setup area. There was a field for the username, an option for device type, and a button to continue with the connection. But before going straight into it, something else caught my attention. There was an active chat box on the same page, so I thought, before doing anything else, let me test that too. I typed a short message asking whether the tool actually works. A few moments later, I saw someone from support typing. A reply came in saying, yes, it works perfectly. Of course, a message alone doesn't prove anything. So I kept going with the test. I entered my user ID, selected the device type, and tapped Connect Account. The page then started searching for the username, so I waited a little. After that, I got to choose the amount of coins and cash. I went with a high number just to make the test more meaningful. Then I tapped Proceed and let the process continue. The page took a moment to load, and I was watching closely to see whether it would actually move ahead. After a short wait, the next step finally appeared. This is where the page mentioned that verification had to be done manually by completing one task from a list. So I checked the list. The task I noticed involved playing a game until reaching a certain level. Now your task may look different depending on your location, your device, or even your network. But the basic idea stays the same. Pick one task and complete it properly. I knew this part would take some time, so I just stayed patient and started working through it. In the final edit, I would obviously speed this section up since nobody wants to sit through every minute of a slow grinding task. And now came the part that really mattered. I reopened one-state RP, waited for the game to load, and went straight to my resources. Honestly, this is always the most exciting moment in these kinds of videos. So I looked carefully at the balance right there in front of me. So that was my full journey with this one-state RP method, from the first step all the way to the final check. I wanted to test it properly without rushing or assuming anything. If you enjoyed coming through this whole process with me, make sure to like the video, share it, and subscribe if you want more videos where I test methods like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.